Hey, welcome back into the Shopfix channel, a community joined together for the love of woodworking. I can actually adjust the miter saw as far as the height, even like I can tilt it from side to side, like raise the left side up, or I can raise the right side up. I could even lower it. So the miter saw station right here has complete freedom and adjustability. Alright, it's finally time for one of the best hidden features of this entire station, the adjustable miter saw platform. I teased it earlier and trust me, it's worth the wait. The key to this setup? 4 bolts. Yep, just 4 bolts give the miter saw full adjustability, so you can dial in the saw height until it's perfectly flush with your cabinet tops. Smooth cuts, no weird alignment issues, just clean accuracy. To start, I built the lower support platform that would hold the bolts. It's reinforced underneath with 4-inch wide stretchers for strength and stability, because this saw isn't light, and I don't want it sagging like my energy by Friday. I left a 3-inch gap behind the platform, so there's plenty of room for cords, vacuum hoses, and most importantly, easy access to reach the bolts. If you want even more room, just leave a bigger gap. This system is modular and definitely future-proof. Once the base platform was built, I set the miter saw platform on top, and I drilled 4 clean holes, straight through both the top platform and the base below. The top platform is made from the same double thick plywood I used for the cabinet worktop. I wanted to use locking washers here, but I found out that they would significantly reduce the accuracy of the micro adjustments. With the bolts installed through the top platform, I then guided them down to the base. The reason I had boards underneath in the very beginning is just to get the platform initially set. From there, it's just a matter of threading on a washer and nut underneath. The top nuts between the platforms act as mini jacks. Spin them up or down to raise or lower each corner until the saw sits flush across the entire run. Once I got the platform in place, I mounted the miter saw with lag screws. This thing is now locked in tight, and thanks to the adjustable bolt system, I can tweak the level at any time. Want to dial it in a 1/64 of an inch? Done. You're in full control with this setup. With everything level and locked in, I've now got a rock-solid, fully adjustable miter saw platform that lines up perfectly with the cabinets, making every cut crisp, consistent, and just plain satisfying.